Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup downloads folder using Windows 11 Storage Sense, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your downloads folder using Windows 11 Storage Sense, start by searching for Settings in the Windows search bar. Click on the Settings app to open it. In the Settings window, navigate to the System section. Next, click on Storage in the left-hand menu. You will see the Storage Sense option on the right side. Ensure that the toggle for Storage Sense is turned on. Scroll down and click on Storage Sense to access its settings. In the Storage Sense settings, locate the section titled Cleanup Recommendations. You scroll down further to find the More Storage Settings section. Click on Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. Here, you can set up how often Storage Sense will run. You can choose options for when to delete temporary files and how long to keep certain files. To specifically target the Downloads folder, look for the Delete Files Older Than option. You can set this to a preferred time frame, such as a month or a week. This ensures that files in your Downloads folder older than your selected time frame will be backed up or deleted. To enable automatic backup, go back to the main storage menu. Here, you might want to adjust where your downloads are saved for backup purposes. Consider integrating a cloud service like OneDrive for additional security. You can do this by right-clicking your Downloads folder, selecting Properties, and then navigating to the Location tab. Click on Move and choose your desired backup location, such as OneDrive. Once you select the new location, click Select Folder and then OK. This will redirect your Downloads folder to the backup location of your choice. Now, your downloads will be backed up automatically. For manual backups, simply copy the contents of your Downloads folder to your backup location periodically. This can be done by right-clicking the Downloads folder and selecting Copy, then pasting it into your backup folder. Regularly check your backup settings to ensure everything is working as intended. You have now successfully set up backups for your Downloads folder using Windows 11 Storage Sense. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.